please state your name and spell it for the court?
My name is Alex Smith, S-M-I-T-H.
And where do you live?
I currently reside at 136 Washington Avenue.
And what happened the day of May 1st, 2012?
My neighbor, Trevor Young, was killed.
And what was the first event that led up to Trevor's murder?
The first event was I saw Trevor walking by my house.
And what were you doing, or how did you see that?
I was sitting on my porch.
Can you describe your porch for me?
It's a wraparound design, so I can see things and hear things, but people typically can't see me.
And can you describe how large your yard is?
It's about an acre.
Okay. Is that wide or width, or is this... How would you describe the layout of it? It's wide?
Yes.
Okay. And so you were sitting on your porch, and then what happened?
After I was sitting on my porch, I saw, like I said, Trevor walk by. He was acting really odd. I don't know, like something was wrong.
And did you try talking to Trevor?
I did, but he seemed really preoccupied with what was going on and couldn't answer me.
And did he respond at all?
No, he didn't.
After you tried talking to him, then what happened?
After I saw him walk by, I saw Hayden Price, a neighborhood watch member, say running by on the phone.
Can you point out to the court who Hayden Price is?
Hayden Price is over there in the black hoodie with the red hair.
Let the record reflect that the witness has identified Hayden Price.
So noted.
Do you have any feelings about the neighborhood watchmen?
I mean, they're not my favorite people in the world, but they're definitely out there to protect us.
Would you have any bias against them?
Absolutely not.
So you saw Hayden running after him. Did you notice anything else about him that he was doing?
Hayden, he was on the phone.
And what was he saying?
He was saying that Trevor was up to something.
And what does saying someone's name indicate?
Objection relevance.
Your Honor, I think saying someone's name is a very important part of whether or not the witness could describe whether or not the person knew of the other one.
I can know someone and maybe not know their name, or not know someone and know their name from merely a name tag or for someone pointing out a picture.
I think necessarily saying that whether or not the opposing counsel can define whether or not they know someone is different than whether or not that indicates it in this case. I think it's different in that sort of situation.
I'll allow.
And what does saying someone's name normally indicate then?
It normally indicates that they know somebody.
So Hayden was saying...
Nikki, you got my backpack. This yours?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Alright, sorry for that interruption.
So Hayden was saying that Trevor was up to something.
Yeah.
From what you know, would Trevor do anything bad?
Absolutely not. He's a really straight-edge kid.
So you heard Hayden say that Trevor was up to something, and then what happened?
After that, I saw Hayden started approaching Trevor.
What did he say, if anything?
Oh, he said that he had a gun, don't make me use it.
And did Trevor respond?
Trevor just tried to go into his house, which I would also do because I wouldn't want somebody with a gun to be around me.
At this point, what did you do?
At this point, I turned around because, well, I saw a fight.
Did you draw a map of this fight?
Yeah, or I drew a map of the scene, yes, and what happened.
Of this scene. Your Honor, at this time, I would like to enter proposed Exhibit A into evidence.
Show opposing counsel.
Does someone have one?
Which one?
The map. I don't have it with me.
At the competition, there'll be a clean copy at the table.
Use your own.
You can't use your own.
May I approach the witness?
You may.
Do you recognize this?
Yes, I do.
How do you recognize this?
This is the diagram that I drew.
Has it changed substantially since the last time that you saw it?
Not that I see.
Is it a fair and accurate representation of the fight scene?
Absolutely.
Do you generally rely on this for your opinion?
Yes, I do.
All right. Let the record reflect. I am retrieving proposed Exhibit A from the witness.
So noted.
I'd like to enter in proposed Exhibit A into evidence as Exhibit A. So you were sitting on your porch, and then can you tell me what happened throughout the scene?
Well, this is where I saw Trevor, and this is where Hayden attacked Trevor.
Mhm.
So Hayden was following Trevor all the way up to his house, and at this point, right about here, I saw Hayden attack Trevor.
And what happened when Hayden attacked Trevor?
Trevor, pinned him to the ground, and Hayden got out of the hold, and that was about it with the fight.
And then what happened after the fight?
I turned around for just a split second.
Right.
And then I heard gunshots.
And then what happened?
And then I ran over and I saw Trevor lying on the ground, dead.
I am so sorry for your loss. No further questions, Your Honor.